Welcome everyone. This is Automated FX Trading, Osiris EA, Day 7. And continue recording this journal, just information for paid users and those interested in trading FX, but you don't have enough time. You're a professional or you're a retiree or you're someone with capital that you want to risk, you want to speculate, or anyone that is looking to improve your rate of return on your investment, then this is the right channel. This is where you must be paying attention, and hopefully after you keep looking at our product, what we do, how we do it and why we do it, it will be interesting to move forward and open your live trading account and start trading to be successful, to really improve the quality of your life. How we do that? Well, trading as it is a very complex and challenging activity, or venture, call it business, because it is a business. I will never ever get exhausted of explaining that trading is a business, not different of pursuing a career or investing investing in an undergraduate degree, not different from opening a restaurant. It's all the same. The risk and the perception of that risk may be different, but it all comes down to winning or losing. Okay, so the best we can do is to find a way to reduce our risk or reduce our time exposed to XYZ activity to get a return. Pretty much is exchanging time for dollars. And this is what we want to do with Osiris. We want to make sure we take you there with the least amount of risk. It depends on the size of your capital and also what we call market conditions. They're real. So if everything goes as expected, we manage risk and then profits come. So today we're going to start a series of, I will continue adding as much information as possible and explain more about it. But today also we'll go over the frequently asked questions, and I'm not going to put them all here. They will be on the website that we'll have in a couple weeks. But a couple questions we get all the time, and of course, how much money can you make with Osiris or Osiris Ragnarok? Just to explain a little bit. So when we were designing Osiris, we work on 4 modules. Module 1, 2, 3, 4, of course. And 1 and 3 we're ready to go. Why? Module 2 we deviate investment into the ones that were really promising as active strategies. So we decided to stop that. On that module we're working on a reverse modification of the counter trend system that we use. It's no secret, Osiris is a martingale with a little bit of our touch that we call fixed risk. It means that you are aware of the risk. It's not a traditional casino or FX casino strategy that is beyond and to the infinite, beyond and above your pocket. It's not possible, okay? So the question all the time is, what is my risk? When you start any venture, any business, besides the upside potential, have you ever wondered what is your downside? And that's the most important you have to keep in mind. How much money can you lose? So you need to be aware of the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is a loss of $3,500 per basket or currency. So if you trade in 2 currencies on risk level 1, your worst case scenario will be $7,000. Now, oh my God, that's a lot. Oh no. Okay, it depends. You decide how much you want to risk. You decide how much skin you want to put in the game to make things happen. It depends, right? And after finish here, I will just go over these questions based on what we have so far and what clients are generating, are actually earning. And the second question, what Osiris versions do I get with my purchase? Now, very important, we have the Osiris and Osiris Ragnarok. What's the difference? Well, basically, keep in mind the first version, it's It's very active. You actually have 10 trades per basket. Okay. It trades a lot more than Osiris Ragnarok. It has been designed for those that are looking for more steady income right off the bat. Right there, you want to start generating income. It's great to grow your account. And then Osiris Ragnarok, it's more for those with patience. So far, we only have 55 trades. 55 trades in, we could say 6 months, 7 months. So it's not a lot of trading, but the results so far are promising. 55 trades divided in 6, that's 9. Well, let's say 10 trades per month. Some people get anxious, and it's one of the issues of the retail FX market, retail traders, or those that are coming to FX with this with some misconceptions. So it's not real that if you trade a lot, if you go in and outside the market quickly, you have less risk. It's not true. I mean, it's a good thesis. It's not real. And then if you trade little, if you trade less, you don't trade a lot, that you don't overexpose your account. That's not true either. You can lose 10 trades in error if you're trading. You can have a losing streak of 10 trades, trading 5 lots, and your account is gone. It's pretty simple. So first option, we have 3 levels. I'm going to talk about the first 2. First, we have a monthly lease. You pay $97 per month. You get access to the software, and you get the VPS, which is we put you on the server, so every time the system, your account is getting all the trades. It's $97 per month. Pay as you go. And then the second option I want to discuss is the full license. You can acquire a lifetime package of 3 licenses at $1,750 that you can run Osiris on 3 different brokers. And now, just to end, I'm just going to go to a live account, see how much a client it's making so far. We have someone on the live chat. We'll take care of him in a moment. But you can see here how much a client's making so far in 3 months. He's 40%. This is a live account out of Australia. And as usual, you always have access to the information, how much money we're making on Osiris Ragnarok. But the most important, always the risk. Of course, we're working on collecting data, so we're working with hypothetically, the hypothesis is on $50,000. And finally, we have the first Osiris, simple Osiris, trades a lot, almost above 100%. So thank you for watching, and tomorrow we'll be back with more information. Thanks a lot.